For this listing, we're going to look at this Pentax K1000 that is for sale. This is one of the earlier ones with the Asahi logo and the Asahi name on the top here. And it's the serial number on the bottom. It's number 7950294. Comes with the lens cap on the SMC Pentax M f2 50mm lens. The lens looks nice and clear, and everything about this looks good. The aperture is very quick, and f-stop works good. Focus is smooth and looks good from front and back. The camera body itself looks very good. It does have some wear, some abrasions and things on some of the edges. It's definitely been used, but it is very functional, and the foam here looks like it's okay. The shutter works well on all the speeds. Even at the very slow 1 second, it sounds good. And half second, and all the way up to 1,000th. And if we look inside, the shutter looks to be in very good shape. The inside looks good. The rewind handle is in good condition. This camera does have a battery in the meter, and it does function. The output makes sense. This is one of the best known all fully manual student cameras.